How to find sound mode settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find sound mode settings on Android phone. First then open settings and then scroll down until you find here this one, sounds and vibration. Now just click on it, and as you see here you will find the sound mode, and here you can manage sound mode settings. You can make it on vibration or silent, and you can make it again here sound, and that's it. You can here manage anything you want. And as you see, that's how to find sound mode settings on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.